Use a third-party browser with built-in ad blocking. Some browsers like Brave, Firefox, and Opera have built-in ad blocking features. You can download these browsers from the Google Play Store and use them to browse the internet without seeing any ads. Install an ad blocker app. There are several ad blocker apps available on the Google Play Store that can block ads on your Android device. Some popular options include AdBlock Plus, AdGuard, and Public Origin. Once installed, these apps will need to be configured to work with your device's Wi-Fi settings. Root your device and install a custom ROM if you want to take things a step further. You can root your device and install a custom ROM that has built-in ad blocking capabilities. This method requires some technical know-how and may void your device's warranty. Use a VPN service. Virtual Private Networks VPNs can also help you block ads on your Android device. When you connect to a VPN, all your internet traffic is routed through a remote server, which can filter out ads before they reach your device. Some popular VPN services that offer ad blocking include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and ProtonVPN. Disable interest-based ads. Google allows you to opt out of interest-based ads on your Android device. To do this, go to Settings greater than Google greater than ads greater than opt out of interest-based ads. Keep in mind that this won't block all ads, but it will prevent Google from showing you targeted ads based on your browsing history. Block ads using a hosts file. You can edit your device's hosts file to block ads at the network level. This method involves adding lines of code to your device's hosts file to redirect ad servers to empty IP addresses. This will prevent ads from loading on your device. You can find instructions on how to modify your hosts file online. It's worth noting that blocking ads can impact revenue for content creators who rely on advertising to monetize their websites and apps. Consider whitelisting websites you frequent to support their content creation efforts.